So Google has introduced its new flagship phones in 16 countries. Although it is scheduled to go on sale on October 13th, many people are interested in knowing the price in their respective countries. It might be for comparison, for fun, or importation, or some other matter. Well then, we know it all. Actually, this list has been taken from Hindustan Times, so credits to them for compiling it. For Pixel 7, this is the pricing. And this is for 7 Pro. So what do you think about the pricing? Do let me know. Now if you are from any other country other than India, then this part of the video is not for you. But if you are, then let's continue. The Pixel 7 and 7 Pro smartphones from Google will cost about 15 to 21% more in India than in any other countries. It's priced at Rs 60,000 for Pixel 7 and 85,000 for 7 Pro. Meanwhile, a Google spokesperson came forward to tell us why. He said, "We determine local pricing based on the number of factors, including local taxes and custom duties. We believe the pricing reflects the value of our premium phones, the high-end hardware specs, and the best-in-class AI-powered software experience." So that's the reason. This is definitely not an aggressive pricing by any means, but for Pixel phones, that hardly matters. People, no matter what, will buy it. If you remember Pixel 6 series, it wasn't sold in India, but many people imported it. So you know there are these Pixel fans who would go to any lengths to experience the phone. But what about general public? By that I mean who buys Samsung flagship phones or Apple phones or any flagship phone for that matter. Well, they can now have a choice. iPhone users can save the most because the pricing difference is huge. The regular Pixel 7 is retailing for about 20,000 rupees cheaper than the iPhone 14. For Pixel 7 Pro and the iPhone 14 Pro, the pricing difference is so drastic that it's not even funny. The Pixel 7 Pro with its price of Rs 85,000 is about 45,000 rupees cheaper than the iPhone 14 Pro, which starts at 1,30,000. Now you might be saying it's not a fair comparison. But then why do you compare the cameras? I am aware that the performance is not similar, but it actually exceeds what is needed for iPhones. You don't even make the most of it. Don't forget about AI either, Google knows how to use it. On a personal note, I think when it comes to the money factor, the Google Pixel 7 and 7 Pro do make more sense. FYI, Flipkart was advertising special pricing for the Pixel 7 and 7 Pro, wherein pre-order customers could get the phone at Rs 50,000 and 70,000 respectively. That is obviously after applying the bank offers and additional off on exchange, which sweetens the deal. So what do you think? Do let us know in the comments. Thank you for watching the whole video and catch you in the next one.